Nigeria is hard, but do you know what's harder? Not finding ways to unwind. Sometimes all you need is just one day, a day to unplug, create something with your hands, and just be present. So I gave myself that gift, a day to learn macrame and unwind in the process. So join me, let's go make some art piece. Macrame is a form of textile produced using knotting instead of weaving or knitting techniques. In Africa, our hands tell stories through weaving, braiding, carving, cooking. Our hands carry wisdom passed down without words. So let's try our hands on this, okay? Here's a brief history of macrame. Before it became a boho home decor trend, macrame began in the 13th century from Spain to Europe, and by the 17th century, sailors were knotting hammocks and belts at sea. Their knots traveled with them to Asia, America, and beyond. In Victorian England, macrame became a refined craft used to decorate everything from tablecloths to tea cozies. Women practiced it as a gentle, elegant pastime. In the 1960s and 70s, macrame made a comeback, this time as a symbol of freedom and handmade creativity in the hippie era. Today, macrame is back again. Stylish, sustainable, and soulful. Whether it's a wall art, plant hangers, or fashion pieces, each knot tells a story rooted in the centuries of craft.
We've taken out these two. Okay. So we have two from here, two from here. Okay. We have the two outer ones. We call them the working post. So we are starting from the left now. We're taking this one, putting it over the middle to create a loop, right? Okay. And then we're going to take this one, take it to the back, out through that loop. Okay? Okay. And if you want it tighter, it depends on you. But for the sake of this workshop, so you finish on time, this is okay. It's a safe one. So we're starting from here. Yeah. Now we're going to start from here. Okay. So we're going to do the same thing. Create a loop over the two of them. Then take it from the back. Simple as this.
I'll be very honest. I thought it was going to be very easy, like super easy. But macrame has this quiet discipline to it. Each knot, each loop requires you to slow down and be present. You just needed to give it your time. And in a way, that's what made it beautiful. As I found my reading, something shifted. My mind stopped racing and my hands took over. There was something deeply meditative about it, like the knots were untangling more than just the rope, maybe even my thoughts. Okay, I found it really therapeutic. And what's made my day even more special was the people. We were all different backgrounds, different stories. But in this room, in this space, we were just makers, macrame makers, tied together by creativity, curiosity, and a few messy knots. At the end of the day, I didn't just walk away with a bag. I walked away with a lighter heart, a new skill, and a reminder that beauty happens when we slow down. So if you've been feeling overwhelmed or uninspired, try this. Create something with your hands. You don't have to be perfect. Just start. Just start, okay? Not by not. Thank you for joining me on this mindful journey. Thanks for joining me on this macrame experience today. It was really wholesome. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share if this inspired you to create, okay? See you in my next video. Bye.